Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to find the trending videos online. For that you have to install this extension VidIQ. I'm using the Edge browser, so I have installed it. You can see VidIQ Vision for YouTube. In Chrome you just have to add this extension and pin it. So let me reload this page. So once you reload it, you'll see the views per hour. So you can see, don't see the recent one. This is from 17 hours ago. This might be coming from subscribers. See the videos which has like length. Let's say Marcus Brownlee. He's one of the greatest YouTubers and he takes a lot of interviews. So you can see the views here, 86 view per hour. So you can go inside this creator. So once you install this VidIQ, you'll get something called trending. You can click on always trending and you'll get the top keywords which are trending. You can see the video here. Let's say 25 days ago we have iPhone crash detection versus roller coasters. Still we are getting 6,186 view per hour. You can take similar kind of description and add, let's say, iPhone crash detection versus roller coasters latest video. So let us see. So in that also you can see the latest videos, the VPH views per hour. So we're just starting this channel, so it has just 807 subscribers. So this is one of the video which posted 5 days ago. We are getting 9.2 views per hour. So similar kind of description you can take and you can add it in your videos. And also you can find the keywords in the app vidiq.com, app.vidiq.com, and just click on the keywords. If you want to search for a keyword, let me search for CM Punk. So let me click on enter here. So I'll get the overall rating, like search volume is this much and competition is very high. Just go for the competition which has like moderate. Like let's say CM Punk returns, you can use one of the keyword and you can get a lot of views if you are starting on it. And let's say if I want to just search for AEW or WWE, and you can see the competition. So the competition is it's medium compared to CM Punk. You can take one of the things keywords and you can put it to your video which has let's say comparatively low competition. I hope you would have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day. Bye bye.